we are now going towards our room. We just had a very good meal. And this is our pool cottage. We have to walk down the steps. So this is our pool villa, and it's time now to have a room tour. Please come with me. And as you enter here, you can see there's a mini bar here. You have coffee powder, sugar, and some green tea sachets. You have the coffee maker also. Some organic cookies, glasses, kettle, water, everything is available here. And then there are 2 stools where you can sit and have your hot water or hot coffee. This is a seating place. Very beautiful and very ambient. Well lit here. This is completely with glass. And if you want privacy, you also have shades here to close. But otherwise, it's a very good view. And it is to the forest, towards the forest, facing the forest. Yeah, we'll see inside now. You also have a very nice TV here for your entertainment, which I don't know if you really use today because of a lot of things to do. Yeah, we have wardrobe here. A very spacious wardrobe which opens 2-way. And you also have a locker, and your swimming gown or shower gown is also there. Very hygienically kept. You have a big dressing mirror this side, and yes, this is our bathroom. Spacious. We have a big mirror and yeah, shower. You also have a shower cabin here of glass. So although toiletries we have to get it, but then the basic toiletries are still provided. If you can see here, you have moisturizer, head and body wash, and then you have some other washes and liquids. I think it is mouthwash and antiseptic, cotton, tissue, everything is available. Dryer, it's really good. They have provided well, which you can open, but it is sealed, it is closed. Yeah, you can see the bedroom from here, from your bath place. Yes. Both the sides you have shades, and you can keep it open, or if you want more privacy, you can keep it closed. So let's go to the bedroom now. Here is our bedroom, which is so spacious. You can see so much of space here, and the bed also looks very comfortable. Looks really comfortable. Another very you can say it's funny or don't know. There's a weighing machine here, so you can weigh yourself also. Yeah, very much needed for me especially. And then, yes, another unique feature which I have seen first time here is you have a torch. They have kept us a torch. We'll figure out how it works, but then it is here. So it's a much needed thing. You have AC. This is an AC room, and lights are good. Things in this room for which we booked this particular villa, that is, we have our private pool. That is one. We can be in the pool anytime we want, and we are not bothered about rain or any issues with the pool. Most of the time swimming pool is something which everybody wants, but then if it is a common pool, or if it is like in pool it's always raining, if that is a situation, we do not want to get into the pool. But this is a blessing we have got. So let me show you the pool, our private pool, and you can see this is how it looks from the bedroom. You light the door and you can come to the pool. And it's facing the woods. It's kind of infinity private pool facing the woods. So here, there are steps. Let's sit here. And this is our private pool, which we are going to enjoy today and tomorrow. started raining after when we were having our lunch actually. But still, if it's not raining, you have a very nice sit out next to the pool where you can spend some time with your family or your loved ones. You have here two seats and a table and a very beautiful view there. So you can see this is immense amount of space. You can spend, have peace of mind. It's more like a therapy here. So now from the pool, if you're feeling cold, there's a very nice place you can get into. That is directly from the pool. You have access to this jacuzzi. So have a look at this. There's a beautiful jacuzzi that they have provided. So you can have cold swimming in the pool and then just get into the hot tub here. Here you can see the pool and you can have your hot jacuzzi in complete privacy. This was always in our bucket list and today it feels really good to be here. So this is the room tour for you. We have tried to cover whatever possible. I hope you also book your pool villa or any other cottage available in Ibnii and enjoy this place.